As of 16 October 2025, Gaza remains under a fragile US brokered ceasefire between Israel and Hamas, which officially ended the two-year conflict. The situation is tense but relatively stable. Ceasefire and hostage situation. Hamas has released all of the living Israeli hostages and returned some of the deceased ones. But several bodies remain unrecovered due to being trapped under rubble. Two additional bodies of Israeli captives were handed over this week, while Israel has returned 90 Palestinian bodies as part of the broader exchange. There are ongoing disputes over whether Hamas has fully met its obligations under the ceasefire. Trump's position and military readiness. President Donald Trump, who personally visited Israel and Egypt earlier this week to mark the implementation of the ceasefire, stated that the United States would not need to use military force to disarm Hamas. However, he also warned that Israeli forces might resume combat at his command if Hamas fails to comply with the terms of the agreement. Humanitarian and reconstruction efforts. A US-led coordination center is being established near Gaza to oversee aid delivery, security, and reconstruction. Around 200 US troops specializing in logistics have been deployed for this purpose. Despite some aid flowing in, Israel is still restricting entry due to its demand for the return of all hostage remains. Humanitarian groups have criticized these restrictions, calling for aid to be delinked from political negotiations. Internal situation in Gaza. Inside Gaza, aid shortages, damaged infrastructure, and sporadic armed clashes between Hamas and other factions persist. The Palestinian Health Ministry reports continued hardship, although some displaced residents have started returning home to survey the vast destruction. In summary, the ceasefire continues to hold, but disputes over hostages remains. Restricted aid access and fears of renewed violence keep the situation on edge. Reconstruction coordination under US supervision is expected to begin in the coming days with cautious optimism.